The open source community is moving faster than ever. Just when developers thought the competition is just between Claude and GPT 5.5, then we have two great models released, which are GLM 5.2 and Kimi 2.7. They are both very powerful models and they are both open source. So that's great news for us because it's obviously promotes competition and then we get to download it to our own local PC and use for free if your compute power is enough. In this video, I'm going to be comparing both of them head to head. So we're going to be comparing their coding ability, their reasoning, their agent performance, their context length. For coding, Kimi 2.7 was designed with software engineering as its primary focus because when you look at it, its core strength is code generation, refactoring, things like bug fixes, multi-step coding tasks, agent workflow. If you're asking an AI to build a React dashboard or maybe debug a Node.js API or create a full stack application, Kimi 2.7 was specifically designed for those kind of tasks. GLM 5.2 can also code extremely well, but its focus is on a broader scale. Like instead of optimizing purely for software engineering, GLM balances coding, reasoning, research, agent tasks, long context understanding. So for context window, the round isn't even close. Kimi 2.7 offer a large context window, but GLM 5.2 takes things to another level. We're talking about a 1 million token. That means you get to upload maybe like your entire repository, your entire code base on it. For enterprise scale analysis, I think GLM context window is one of the biggest advantages. For agent workflow, we want to talk about things like can the model even plan a task? Can it use tool? Can it execute multiple steps? Can it recover from mistakes? And I think that's where Kimi 2.7 really shines because of its agentic software development in mind. It performs exceptionally well from the analysis I've seen. DLM is also capable, but I think Kimi specialization gives it an advantage. We can also check on things like research analysis. Suppose I need maybe like a 500-page documentation or an entire company code base. I think this is where GLM 5.2 shines because of its massive context windows. It allows an understanding across huge amount of information without losing track of earlier details. If you are into AI development model comparison like this, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. It helps to take the video to a broader audience. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be throwing an open challenge to both of these models. So I'm going to be dropping my prompts for them to build me a website for my AI Academy, and then we just check on them, check on the code and see which one performs better. Since it's a single web page, I'm sure both of them can perform very well. We just finished building with GLM 5.2 and then this is the context. This is a token used 30,702 tokens, 12% use. This is the amount spent for this project, just 16 cents thereabout. So I will quickly go switch model now to Kimi 2.7, then we also run the same prompt and then we compare the output side by side to see which one performs better. Kimi has finished building and it took way longer than that of GLM. I think it's because of the thinking processes with Kimi and then it seems along the line it encountered some error and it was trying to fix those errors. So for the context here, 46,907 token and then it spent 25 cents. But for that of GLM here, I quickly switch between tabs. GLM did 30,702 tokens and then used 16 cents, almost divided by 2 compared to that of Kimi. Let's check on both pages and then see what they've both built. I'll quickly come to my browser here. So this is the one for Kimi 2.7. This is the name of my academy, Grand Valley Academy. This is the hero section here. Then this is the about section, preparing people for the future of work. This is what we're trying to do. Then if I scroll down, this is what we teach: AI website creation, prompt engineering, WhatsApp automation, AI agents, business automation, digital innovation. You can see each section sliding up as I scroll down. Business are increasingly adopted. So this is my economy section where we have to talk about the effect on the economy and then how it's changing the world. And now we help you learn. This is what we do. You learn, you build real world project, you apply your skills and you also grow. Then this is what our students can build: AI powered websites, WhatsApp chatbots, automation. For this website here, I'm not seeing any just like the way we have here. This place is blank. So this way is designed for students, professionals, entrepreneurs, freelancers. These are reviews, and this form to join. It's a good landing page. Probably if I still have to work on this, we'll have to still prompt for some correction and all that. So let me just switch over to GLM, that of GLM. This is the one GLM built. So this is our error section here. This is what we teach. I think this one should be able to sit here. All cards can sit here. But then again, it's still a beautiful design. Clicking on them individually, you could see the glow at the back. And considering we don't have any framework for this is just pure HTML and CSS. So this is it. Then this is what they can build. Once again, it seems okay, it's different, but it seems to also have that page lacking. There's no details here. So this is really designed for student, professionals, entrepreneurs. Then this the form, and then this are footer. So overall, both websites look very good. We'll still have to prompt them for correction, but it looks very good. I think I prefer that of GLM. It looks cleaner to me, and it looks like the one that we have less error. So overall, we have it's a strong tie. It depends on what you want to do. So for me, I'll say if you are into coding, strong coding, agent workflows, maybe software engineering, and then you're using all kind of tools, I think you should try that of Kimi. But if you also have maybe you want to work with a long context, and maybe you're doing research, architectural analysis, or you're dealing with large repository, you can go with that of GLM. But both of them are strong. They are strong models. They can compete on GPT 5.5 level. So I'd like to know if you've tested anyone, which one performs better for you. And then see you in the next one. Please like, please subscribe, and I promise to always bring you more videos like this.